Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and finding new income. That's the magic of passive income. It's money you earn without actively working for it every hour. You set it up once, and it keeps generating income, even while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. Passive income is about building sustainable wealth and achieving financial freedom. Now, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It requires an upfront investment of time, money, or both. But once that investment is made, and the system is running, it can provide a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. This allows you to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and design your ideal lifestyle. Passive income is a powerful tool for achieving financial security and independence. It can provide a safety net, supplement your primary income, or even become your main source of earnings. In a world where job security is increasingly uncertain, building multiple streams of passive income is a smart move for anyone seeking long-term financial stability. The key difference between active and passive income lies in your time commitment. Active income requires your direct involvement to generate money. You trade your time and skills for a paycheck. Examples include salaries, wages, and freelance work. If you stop working, the income stops. Passive income, however, works differently. You invest your time and resources up front to create an asset that generates income on its own. This asset could be a rental property, a dividend-paying stock portfolio, or an online course you created once and sell repeatedly. The beauty of passive income is its ability to work for you 24/7, even when you're not actively working. Imagine your money as an employee that never sleeps, takes breaks, or asks for a raise. It diligently earns for you, allowing you to break free from the limitations of trading time for money. Passive income isn't a mythical concept. Millions of people benefit from it every day. Let's look at some real-world examples. Dividends from stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is like owning a piece of a company that shares its profits with you. You receive regular payments simply for holding onto the stock. Royalties from books or music. If you're creative, royalties offer an excellent passive income stream. Once you write a book, compose a song, or create any form of intellectual property, you can earn royalties every time it sells or is used commercially. Rental income from properties. Real estate is a classic example of passive income. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect monthly rent payments from tenants. While it requires some initial capital and management, it can generate significant income over time. These are just a few examples, and the possibilities for passive income are endless. From online businesses and affiliate marketing to creating and selling digital products, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities to generate income without being tied to a traditional job. Section 4. Why passive income? Unlocking the benefits. The allure of passive income extends far beyond just making money. It's about achieving a level of freedom and security that traditional employment often can't provide. Financial freedom. Passive income empowers you to achieve financial independence, where you're no longer reliant on a single source of income. It allows you to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy more free time without worrying about money. Time flexibility. Passive income liberates you from the constraints of a fixed schedule. You're no longer trading your precious time for money and have the flexibility to design your ideal work-life balance. Unlimited earning potential. Unlike a traditional job with a capped salary, passive income has the potential for unlimited growth. As you scale your passive income streams, your earning potential increases exponentially. Passive income isn't just about financial gain, it's about gaining control over your time, finances, and ultimately your life. It's about creating a life of purpose, passion, and freedom, where you're no longer defined by your job but by your dreams and aspirations. Section 5. Your path to freedom. Passive income's ultimate promise. The journey to financial freedom through passive income starts with a single step: deciding to take control of your financial future. It's about shifting your mindset from trading time for money to building assets that generate income for you. It requires research, planning, and effort. You need to identify your strengths, explore different passive income streams, and invest your time and resources wisely. But the rewards are worth it. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But once you set up the system, it can continue to generate income for years, even decades to come, providing you with financial security, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms.